I'm here with the Pure Electric Pure Escape Pro Folding Electric Scooter. You can get a smooth and easy ride on this scooter as it's got active steering stabilisation that gives you more control even on bumpier terrain. You'll also feel stable and natural thanks to the upright riding position where you have one leg on each side, so you're not having to stand side on. This also makes steering easier. And you won't have to keep stopping to recharge it as it's got an impressive 38.6 mile range that means you can take it on multiple journeys without it running out on you. You can rely on the 10-inch tubeless tyres too as they are puncture resistant and easy to replace if needed. It's really powerful with its 924 watt motor, giving it a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour and helping it to effortlessly tackle climbs and gradients of up to 19%. So you won't ever have to worry about grinding to a halt when you have to go up a hill. When you do want to stop though, the front drum and the rear electric brakes will bring you to a smooth and steady stop. For added safety, it's got 150 lumen LED lights and reflectors so you'll be easy to see, and the LED display keeps you in the know-how about your speed, battery level and distance travelled.